Hello guys, welcome to in this video. So today we will discuss totally sales automation in detail. So stay tuned with me end of this video because we are going to understand in detail complete sales automation. In the last video, as I describe an overview, give the overview of this software in the as an overview. So what is the module are there and how this module can benefit, give you the benefit if you implement in your day-to-day sales, marketing, service part or your staff productivity. So today we are going to reveal all detailing of all and every feature of this software, only sales automation. So we'll discuss only sales automation, and the next video we will discuss of the detailed marketing automation. So let's start guys. So as we are going to my dashboard, so and this is a marketing automation and this is the sales automation. So start from the inquiry. So there's a lots of features, so we'll going to detailing the one by one. So I'll start from the first inquiry section. So in this inquiry section, how we can enter my inquiry, how we can create an inquiry, yes, and what is the features we can use to create inquiry to lead. Yes, so first of all you are looking at dashboard in which you are looking some features and some tabs. The first tabs, if you are looking in the right corner, the top is the setting icon where I can create my own custom field, or is the plus icon, that is mean I can put my inquiry manual. So this is a manual form where I can already created my some custom event or maybe custom header. So to create your inquiry successfully, only the required things, your name, number, email ID is not, you can put if your choice, otherwise source is required. Source mean that guys understand, so once you give your or generate your inquiry, so you have to define your source. So how it mean that how did you get this inquiry, mean that so that on the basis of you will be analyzing your report, understand your marketing ROI, you'll be getting the things and analytics report. So how many inquiries you have generated from which marketing source. Yes, you can plan your budget, marketing budget, where on which marketing source you have to increase your budget or less your budget, right? For example, I just got your leads from Facebook by automation. Either I'm putting my leads this by manual, so this a manual option are there. So database I can choose and name like a Hashim for example, and put my number like your customer mobile number. You can choose your country code from which you are belonging and your database. You can check out this number is already exist or not. So there is very good features in this system. If you click on that, so system will show you the record already in the lead section or inquiry section. So it will give the report. You can ensure that before to entering this lead again, and click on the save button. If you require the more information, put your about your customer like company name, residential address, official address or other information, right? And just click on the save button. So guys, you have been looking on my screen, the my inquiry already created, yes, successfully. So I can refresh my window again, right? Mr. Hasim is coming. Now the part of that, so you can upload your database if you want to upload your data in the bulk. So if your intention to upload your inquiry in the raw data to generate or maybe the hot lead and the filter your leads, because that you have to run your campaign, SMS, mail, voice, WhatsApp. So don't require to put your directory to call this customer, but also you can filter your data after implement the drip campaign. So we have giving the import your bulk data. Now to start, how you can create your inquiry into the lead. The first of all is the option is the click to call. So mean that if you have the IVR system in, you have taken this service, so this software is giving the click to call option, mean that a calling system. You can allow to your team member as well, they can do the call from here, so all call will be recorded. So calling system are there. Yes, these are benefits. So don't need to integrate the from third party. These are integrated features are there. You can tell us. So if you are need to in the other country, in the UK, Dubai, all US, so accordingly VoIP should be integrated. Yes, call charges will be applicable, all that, right? And the Mr. Hasim, as I click on that, if I need to the add lead, so I just click on that or click on the select button. Either I click on the Hasim, Mr. Hasim. If I click on that, the pop-up or maybe this inquiry form will open. It will give me show me the lead history. So I'll be getting the all information are there. Just click on the lead section or mark your follow-up, because it will undercome the lead. It means that before it, if you need to send any communication individually, SMS, mail, voice, WhatsApp, create meeting or physical appointment, so you can create. Otherwise you can choose the your follow-ups, because of lead, if as you mark your follow-ups, so this inquiry convert into the lead automatically. So I just put choosing my date, follow-up date, put my test remarks as well. I can select my product service on which I discuss with this customer. If I need to transfer to another team member, so I can select if I have the more user. So I just click on that and click on the save button, right? Yes. So this is way this is the way how guys you learn about how you can create your inquiry and how you can convert this inquiry to the lead. So lead mean that you have verified your inquiry, so either the customer might be the interested or not interested, so that is mean that, correct? So I have generated an activity performed, so I'll tell you in the next. Yes, so guys, you are looking that now the type, what is the type of this data is convert into the lead. Either if you go below, so you are looking the open, mean that this leads doesn't make still is open for the making a lead. Yes, so I can create accordingly, so there is no mean. So you can choose this flow, this filter, where you can search anything else what you need. Yes, you want to know, because of this now the less data. Once you create your huge data, so need to use this filter mode, right? Otherwise we have given the universal searches. You can put anything else you want to search. Yes, default setting, ascending, descending, and how many tables you want to show in a single click, so you can do this particular setting. So I hope guys you will be getting the all points about the inquiry. There's a simple. Now coming part to the lead merge or inquiry merge. Merge duplicate mean that inquiry has an option to keep your multiple records of one customer and the single company, right? But the things, if I talk about the lead section, so leads does not allow to you keep more record of one customer. So ensure that, so once you going to the for example, one customer is coming from your Facebook, and the same customer already have generated the inquiry from Facebook or maybe the another platform. So Kit19 this software will getting the leads in inquiry section first, and once you identify that, so it will give you the option to these are records already in your database, so you can merge this. So this software already have given the option to merge the database. So now you are looking the Mr. Hasim, we have finally looking in the lead section. So we'll discuss about two final moment to how we can nurture and monitor maybe your inquiry or leads, for the better result, generate and conversion better from your leads. Yes. So guys, first of all, same thing we can do if I need to put my leads directly without inquiry section. So I can create a lead, same required field I need to fill out, but you have to keep one more thing. While to put your party name, number, so selecting your source, one thing more need to do, like is here the option comes always marking your follow-up in the lead section in advance. These things extra you need to do while you creating your leads by manual. Otherwise, if you are putting your leads by Excel, or might be as a because of once your data come in inquiry, so it's automatically transferred into the lead section if you are generating getting your leads from the any online platform like Facebook integration we have given, as I discussed in the last video, and the all type of integration to bring your data automatically, and decide and set your campaign, automate campaign. Once your leads comes into the system, your any communication, message, mail, voice, WhatsApp should be go to the customer. So guys, moving to the another part, like as I've given the option to the putting my leads manual, and I can import or bulk import I have given to you. So you can choose this, export your data, or might be the mask action you can do from here, like assign to one mean that a manual assign. So you can select which one. For example, I can select more than one and 3-4 member. This I want to transfer this leads to any member. For example, I'm an admin, so I decided to this leads should be assigned to the any person. So this is a manual option, by the way. We have the automation to transfer lead automatically if your leads put by manual. Once you lead put your manual bulk upload, or maybe getting lead online, so in this scenario you can set your lead assign master and decide your parameter or your conditions. On the basis of conditions, system will take the action and assign your leads automatically in between your team among the people according round robin or on the basis of your parameter. So guys, I hope you got my point. We have the automation as well, or a part of manual action to assign your data. Yes, so put my remarks and decide my user. For example, this is a single user coming. If you are as an admin, so it will give you the option to multiple users. You can select which one you want to assign them. Yes, this is a simple process to assign your database. Okay, now we are going to understand if I need the bulk action to send email, SMS, voice, delete, update, task and appointment. So I can select as well from this action. From here individually I can take this action from here. But now we are going to learn next how we can properly single leads nurture after step by step. This for example, take it this leads, I just click on that. As I click on the click to call, mean that I can do call from here from IVR. Otherwise I have the option to do call from your SIM, but you need to download the app of CRM. Then you will be able to do the call without your IVR. You can do call from your SIM which you have your mobile. So your team and your staff can use the mobile app by reducing your you can reduce and your operation costs as well the infrastructure costs. You can reduce that. So we have the very good option to Android or iOS app where you can do the all action which I am giving and describing in this video. Like I just click on the link mobile and the click, and you are looking, I hope, this all action. So this action are very fantastic to nurture your leads properly and enrich your leads. This is your customer, for example. I just telling you in this video there's a follow up. So same thing we have done in the inquiry section. Now I am again putting my remarks what Mr. Hasim told me regarding your service. You have after discussion is denying your proposal, wrong number, converted, and call back. So same thing, we can decide the calendar date, or maybe I put my remarks, yes, and my sample. For example, this is my product. I can do yes, and this, click on the save button. So guys, I have just did this task and mark my follow-up. So according my calendar date, so system will give me the pop-up on my dashboard. Understood? So this is a follow-up system. I can mark as merge lead, physical appointment, SMS. If we have your DLT options, because of in the India, so need to use the DLT option to verify your content, then you will be able to send the SMS, email, mean that you have verified your email account. For example, this and this, I can send this email. If I select my ready to template, to need to use the ready to use template. So we'll discuss the marketing automation, all how we can create the template, how we can run my campaign. So we'll discuss in the coming video my marketing automation. Yes, so I can select the same, and for example this, or this is a send. Okay, yes, email ID. Okay, I don't have this customer, I didn't put email ID, so that's asking to me. So okay, that's fine. And send email, WhatsApp is a fantastic features. As I told you, if I have the WhatsApp API, there is no required, the Meta does not allow to you do any manual conversation. So you can allow your team members select the templates. You have to ready to use template, you can select and send them directly to the customer. So keep in mind, here not only you cannot say do the chat, only the send the WhatsApp template. If you want to do the conversation, you need to go to the back in the WhatsApp dashboard, where you can do the chat until unless users does not reply to you. There is a rule number 1 in the WhatsApp: you cannot do the manual chat until unless you got the response from the client. So I'll discuss in the detail in the later video. Okay, notes, you can type your notes, you can upload your document. If you are you're running for like a finance company, or maybe the visa, immigration, all education. So this is a fantastic module, and the features where you can upload, keep your all necessary documents cloud on the cloud, where anybody you need to in features you can access and download anywhere. And the task management, you can assign the task. What is the task management? To assign any work to your team member, to mean that to the work on that, to build a transparency, right, without your manual effort, without your manual discussion. So this is a task management, it is called. And the appointment management, if I need to fix appointment, just I'm a field manager, or maybe your telecaller is fixing the appointment for your team manager, who goes the market to do this meeting. So I can select my date and time when I need to do that, and what is my location, for example Kolkata. Yes, Kolkata, and my address, yes. Or I can select that owner. I'm just making this, and I can keep all the collaborators. If Lalit is not available to this task, so I can I'm assigning to the another member as a responsible person, so I can do as a collaborator, right? So this is a way you can book your appointment. So this will appointment will display on the dashboard according their due date, as your follow-up will display over on your dashboard as they comes their due date on which. So you can find the your due appointment, due task, and due follow-up on your dashboard automatically according their calendar days. You don't need to find by manual and do the any filters, right? So system will do this all this pop-up automatically on your dashboard. And I'm coming next part. This is a pipeline. So guys, pipeline is a very fantastic features to understand your and forecast your revenue. For example, I'm just making this pipeline. I just created this. For example, I'm in a finance and education. For example, I'm in education. I'm just giving the service as a consultant to the student, helping to the choose the best college or university to get the best education. So I can create the pipeline in the name of that, or maybe the create the stage. So I can put this this particular Mr. Hasim is my, for example, customer. So I can click just. So guys, as I told you, prospect. So I just choose the sales owner. I'm a sales owner, for example, and just deciding your closer date. So in this, when my leads will get closed, because that every industry runs as the funnel. So and depend on the sales cycle, the how much time it takes to get close. So if I talk about the, as I give the example, education. So we need to follow the process. Engage your student and candidate, provide your trial class, give the proposal. Yes, so it will take the decision and depend on your business area, because the sales cycle depend on the business to business. Yes, is a vary on business to business how much time it takes to close the deal. Instant closed, or maybe taking time 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or more than that, right? So I can select that particular estimated closure date, what I'm expecting and forecasting. For example, I just decide the 25 May when this customer will going to the this next might be the this next stage. For example, this is a counseling done with this student, or is he's interested in the particular course. For example, MBBS all. So I can, if I have the list, I can select the MBBS course. Or might be my deal will be the 40 lakhs. Yes, I'm putting 40 lakh rupees. This is my proposal, and just click on the save button. So what happened after that, guys? You can see the complete report. For example, I'll show you later. So now I'm just going to complete other things. You can do the on live chat, live meeting as a Google Meet, Zoom Meet. All you can do the directly meeting with your audience. After sending the URL, don't require to put your into the party who wants to meet you online. So they don't need to download any app, or maybe the user creation all. So only the directly link should be go to that customer accordingly. So you can start, when do you start? For example, 19 you can, or maybe this, okay. And when will you do the end? For example, this will do the 24 hours. Okay, recommended no. Mr. Participant is this. Okay, meeting templates not there. So I have to create this setting, because it I didn't do the any setting. So I can put my meeting name and templates what should be done, and create the meeting. So I just click on that, because some details, because the user don't have an email, because the user will get the link, meeting link over their email ID. So need to put the email ID. You can edit your profile if you need to edit the profile from here, and put your email ID like hashim@gmail.com. okay, yes, this is the way I can put my record. Yeah. So guys, as I do this, I chose my pipeline is running on my screen. So I'm looking the stage, on a stage which stage my leads is running. So I'm getting the point. I'm getting the forecasting key. This leads on which stage is running, right? It's showing this, but I'll give you the complete report, the whole your funnel. Okay, so if you're as an admin and the manager, you'll be getting the complete report about your funnel, because the sales is not a rocket science. Sales is the game of the probability. So system will give the all probability which has been generated by you and by your team, while the month of and or maybe the start of month, right? And this will give the and forecasting your revenue and the closer. Okay, so guys, moving the next things, like you do the text setting about this. If you are doing any billing with this customer, so you are generating your quotation in invoice, you have to put the if you are into the B2B segment, so you can put the company GST detail or maybe the text detailing, right? So that you can manage your all taxation all, right? Because you are going to the next point is your quotation, invoice and web form. You can generate your quotation and invoice. Forms mean that you can, like a Google form, like, so you can create your own form where your customer get registered themselves, for example as an inquiry, and the save my seats. If I click on that, so I just want to show the preview of this form, just look like is showing. So if anybody fill up this form, for example, this is okay, I'm putting my number and click on the save my button. Okay, 10 digits should be done. Okay, 2 4 6 7 8 10. Okay, done. So as I click on the save my seat, right, so thank you for response has been recorded. So this form already, so this URL I can collect and share this URL to my customer through any source, my WhatsApp, email, all. So if you fill this form from here and you share this link, or might be allowed to the Mr. Hasim to fill this form, so Hasim information will get to you here, like click on the web form. Getting my point? Are you looking this? Save my seat. What things has been filled out by Mr. Hashim? So looking this the detail, you can copy, paste, or maybe the download all from here, right? So guys, this is a purpose of the form. The form web form mean that you want to get registration, or maybe other purpose you can resolve to collect your information from your user and your customer. Yes, as a registration, as a webinar you are running, right? So you are allowing to the get register themselves, right? Okay, so there's a multiple purpose to, if I do the survey, like you want to do that, you can create your own custom landing your web form in this software to capture your custom information and take action, so there's a lots of way, and then there's a lots of purpose to use the web form, right? So guys, last and least of this particular purpose to manage your leads, and purpose to what is the purpose of manage your leads, and nurture how you can. So we're getting the all activity about your customer, like calls detail, follow-up detail. Yes, so this is a way, and you're getting the all documents. You have downloaded task, appointment, chat, WhatsApp chats, your pipeline, and web form. So mean to say, this way we have learned in the in this video, inquiry section management and lead section management. So you can use this. I hope you getting the all points, and the simplicity we have used, how you can create your leads, and how you can call to leads, how you can manage all call to action button are there. So this is a way of to proper nurturing and enrich your data, your customer, right? So guys, or number of things you will learn from this, there's a filtration. You can filter out any information, like you need to understand, so which product sales the best sales, you need to do understand, and to whom the purpose of to assign the particular agent, how much revenue they have generated and they have given to me business, right? So I can select the conversion button. So this is multiple purpose to filter out anything else you want, so this detailing filtration are there, and such as are there, like look like. I hope guys you'll be getting the all points. I have covered all, so how you can generate. Now we are going to moving another things, we can understand my conversion. So I'll be getting the complete report my all conversion if I have. So this is a way I can understand my conversion. And task management, If I need to generate any task, otherwise I can generate the task from my leads section. I can choose this task particularly, so I can create my own task if I need to generate. Like I just click on that and put my task purpose and type my task. Okay, I have not created yet any task type, so that's why the reason it's not giving me the list of the task. But guys, there is no any as a hard and fast rule to generate your task. So this only you have to do the title, description, type of task, and your due time, and the relate to the your customer. So regarding for what you are generating this and assign to the particular person to whom you are assigning to the resolve the this task, or maybe the take the action. So this is a simplicity to generate your task. Now the part of the automation, if any task has been generated and assigned to this particular Mr. Lalit, so Lalit will get the notification once you create your task, right? If Lalit does not work on that on the due time, so he'll be getting a notification. You can decide in your workflow and your engagement center. Otherwise, it will show you the your due overdue list. Is a three type of list you are looking: open, overdue, and complete. The open or overdue complete, it means that you will be getting the complete. So your task has been completed, or is coming the overdue list. On the open mean that still not to, still pending to work on that, right? So this is a way, simple way. This is that is called a task. And an appointment, same thing, appointment, where I can generate my appointment to regards on the behalf of the customer. If any customer, for example, you are the manufacturer, or maybe you are the machine manufacturer, the textile machine manufacturer. So if anybody asks to you, now come to my office to describe your proposal, right? So if you are the sales manager, or maybe your sales team doing work, for example, my meeting purpose is that to physical meeting, or maybe the payment collection, for example, or maybe the visit. There is a multiple purpose, might be home visit. Yes, home visit. Yeah, you are going to the home visit for the blood collection all. So you can create your appointment by your team member all. So purpose to blood collection. Okay. Yes, and when do you need to go? For example, you are going to 2 p.m. Okay, or might be 6 o'clock. Your end time is a 6 o'clock. You will be getting your task done, and where you have to luncheon. Yes, guys. Okay, for example, I just put the Mumbai and related to the person to whom I am going to meeting, and put my address. Yes, or yes, and assigning same thing. I am assigning to the particular owner and making the owner. I just making the collaboration as well along with the Lalit owner, right? And click on the submit button. So my appointment data has saved successfully, and just click on that. So you are looking, guys, on my screen. So this is successfully appointment. For example, my meeting already done with party. Yes, I visited their home to take. So now I am coming on that. So you have to put your remarks, what happened over there. So this is a visited successfully, or maybe the negative area. So you can put your comments, add it, or mark as complete. So in which you can select the status, call back over other, and put your remarks. Yes, so this is completion. So you are looking in the list of this appointment in the completion list, right? You are looking in the overdue and open list. Now if I need to take any required any action, like on the lead base, you can take like follow up, SMS, mail, upload document, task and appointment all, so you can take this. So guys, I hope you will get in all points to take your task management or appointment management. So before to understand, we will going to understand very fantastic feature that is called a segment, but we will discuss later on. First of all, we will understand the other things like pipeline. As I create my pipeline, so in this custom event, this is a technical part which you can be integrate with your another software too with the this CRM. So we have the lead activity report where I can see my lead activity report, what I have done, what activity has been done today, what window and pages I have opened, right? So system will give you the report accordingly. Look like I have created appointment. So guys, you are looking recently events, appointment added, appointment completed. If you are looking, so imagine this imaging feature. Yes, lead filled up the web form as we have done, deal added, new interaction added. These all are 4-5 events has been done by me. So by when I did Mr. Wasim, and just click on that, so I'll get in the report. So this is called a lead activity report. Okay, so you can be getting all custom event pipeline deal where I can see and that. So if I talk about my funnel, yes, or my team funnel, I can understand that ki how many opportunity I have created or my team generated. So what is the status of that? For example, I have finance and education. My product is education, so I can see how many opportunity we have till now, or opportunity, how many opportunity running on the particular stage. So I am looking here, so counseling done, and the particular where I am getting 4 lakh rupees, by 6 days, but it will expire by in a 6 days. So this is a hopefully opportunity. I can forecast my total revenue. Yes. So guys, you can this particular stages can be customized according your business nature or your purpose of to manage that. And the important part is that so you can take any action like SMS, mail, voice, follow up, upload, task, conversion, all action can be done. And majorly we have the advanced features to move this task to another task. This stage to another stage. So I can choose and change my stage of my lead. Okay, so guys, you don't need to focus over your team activity also, not to require to put your manual time to understand their whole day's report. So system is giving the complete information on a single tab where you'll getting the complete idea because of you are doing all effort to generate the handsome revenue. You are doing lots of activity on focus your team as well. Your team is supporting you, so but data is favoring with your company or not, because it you cannot take a decision without your data. It means that you are going to the failure in the market scenario. The huge competition is there. You cannot beat your competitor without doing automation. So this automation, I'm sure that you will be getting the tremendously result, if you implement the properly. And now another feature is the upload plus icon. You can create new, and the filter, you can filter out all on the basis of your deal stage, on the basis of a deal pipeline, your team member, by your credit date, filtration, estimated amount date. So we have your understand your team performance and team funnel. If anybody take you have given the some target or maybe the task to your team member. So by money, for example, one member target is to achieve a 4 lakhs, but they don't have enough funnel. So without funnel, you cannot achieve your target. So if your target is to 1 lakh rupees, you have to build a 10 lakh rupees funnel, right? Because you have to do the reverse engineering. Guys, you have to build your funnel after picking your right audience and right your customer and put on the funnel stage, right? So if your owner as a individual team member, I am telling you, you need to work hard, but you need to understand what is your funnel right now and what is your target. So this pipeline feature will give the proper forecasting, so how much funnel you need to create it to achieve your milestone, to achieve your target, right? So this will help you guys. So we are going to move on another things. Follow up. So I'll be looking, if I need to find out my follow up, how many follow ups I have to call today. By the way, if I tell you here, so this all tab are coming like today. I need to understand how many follow ups today, how many follow up is scheduled for next time, and how many follow up is the overdue. So is the coming on the red color, is the green color is minted due today, right? And the gray color is minted to due for the schedule, no follow up, not follow up, right? If I deselect this area, yes, due and due. So is there another bubble? No. Yes, if I click on the due today, so there is no any due today. If I talk about the due scheduled, yeah, in the next time I need to call to the Mr. Hasim on 20 May, right, at this time. So this report will give the your pop-up follow-up on time, so that you can reach your audience and reach your customer on time. You don't require to do and find out your data to whom you need to call them or not, right? By the way, the latest scenario is that on the quick axis you will be getting the report here on your dashboard about your recent on today due follow-up, right? For example, I'm coming on the dashboard. Yes, so guys, you are looking here the 0 record today, but in the next 7 days if I click on that, so it will show me this the report is a clickable. So you can see without any filter, without any manual activity. So system will give the fantastic way display over your dashboard as your due follow-up, task and appointment all. Okay, so guys will be getting the point. Now I can do call from here as like click to call, as I told you. So IVR call based. Now I can put my remarks as well. Yes. Okay, call back. Not as all same thing. I can choose this, or again I am coming. If I go to the detail features like follow up, so I can follow up, task and appointment all, right? So guys, you can do all action from here, filter calls and download your database, right? And the moving another things. Yes, pipeline history, as like you can understand your pipeline history. Okay, same thing what I understood in pipeline stage. So it would be your history, like education, finance. So it is showing to you what is the opportunity, what you can do, what is a pipeline detail, what is the percentage of the probability to convert of this customer, is a 100% ranking, is a 50% ranking, 50% probability to create a funnel or they generate the revenue for this customer from this customer. So this is called a pipeline history. And now we are coming to do quotation, invoice, revenue, ledger. So guys, we'll discuss in the next video, and the fourth part is the quotation, invoice, revenue, custom ledger and e-shop. Okay, so still enough for this in this video, so stay tuned for next video. Thank you for watching. Yes, we'll meet next video. Thank you.